Shakey's, from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
So the stakes getting higher here in the tournament. Both squads want to secure this win for FEU there up front.
Si Loresco, grabe, no? In the improvement, well, both of them. Clan Loresco and Zam Nolasco, Inocentes. But they would like to be the first NCAA team to get past the quarterfinals. And they have a chance. Yeah.
A couple of errors as well.
And also, Kayla.
This win is today for each of these teams.
To begin round number 2, they lost in straight sets against UST. Oh, running attack by Nola.
Preseason Unity Cup. Now, the FEU Lady Tamaraos are known for grit and composure, but in the recent match against San Beda, they had a different tactics. It was about identity. They told me that their journey to clinching a championship title hasn't been easy. At na-down talaga sila, pero sabi nila na binabalik na nila kung sino talaga sila pag naglalaro. Now, their focus is clear. More energy, more enjoyment kasi...
The past couple of UAP seasons, and they don't want to play catch-up against the teams here because they know...
Showcasing their skills every time they're given the chance to come in the court.
Oh. Yung matchup sa gitna, Loresco against Inocentes. Center line fault though. Basarte, quick set. Nicely done.
Doing here versus FEU, they want to take this match.
Katarig sa kanan. Napayungan do. Touch on that. Ubaldo, nice fake. Pero handa doon yung CSB. Jers Petalio. Dorog. Sending up Ash. Yeses! Denied. May Loresco. Si Bakangke at that opposite spiker position. Saka po dyan si Eliarina.
And actually even their... Ooh! But before that, FEU's defense very intact when you have a tall blocker like Clat Loresco, but also you have high leapers like Jers Petalio, Devosora, not the tallest, but definitely still advantage.
Reverse set, Clyde Katarig, nalusot dun sa dalawang blockers.
Clyde Katarig.
Coming into their second year in the NCAA. Mitzi Panangin. Better, much more agile. As well as this girl, Cla Loresco.
Laki din ang butas na developing over the past few games. Well, of course, part of Alas Pilipinas, so also getting that exposure there. But
cushion. Oh, Clyde Katarig emerges at the middle and score. Jump serve. Ubaldo shoots it up to Jers. Petalio hammers it down. Especially, Coach Knowles is a former setter when he was playing. So alam niya, no? Clyde Katarig, nice attempt. Buhay pa ang bola. FEU will reset their offense. Ubaldo, pumunta sa kabila. Pendon. Petalio from the left pin. Nandun si Ubaldo.
good blocking by CSB so far.
Petalio gets it to go. Zam Nolasco at the middle, targeting Kyle Pendon.
Offense.
Close finish here in set number 1. Ubaldo going to Ali Devosora. Hulog, nabasa ni Pendon. Devosora. She will finish off set number 1 with back-to-back points. Oh, it's a net fault.
Net touch called on CSB.
She leans on her teammates in the way that they push each other, hold each other accountable, and grow together. Now for Aya, every game is more than just a match. It's a chance to give her all. She owes it to her younger self who's only ever dreamed about moments like this. And now she just wants to make the most out of every time she's on the court.
And the Lady Tamaraos, abante pa rin dito. 4 na ang kanilang lamang. Basilio from the pipe was Ayadin Singh who attempted. Escote. Nice coverage by Miranda. Oh, with the help of the net, Chi Primaylon. Miranda setting up Escote. Nice coverage there by Durola. Primaylon. Over reception pero nanggigil si Arsiaga doon.
David, just so athletic in terms of her leaping abilities.
Yes. Escote was sent back that time. 11-7. Outside. Yung pasok. Primaylon. Nandoon si Iya David. David scores.
Yeah, so far, as you mentioned, an exchange of points coming from both teams. But this time,
Double serve. Ondangan! Nandoon yung depensa ni Escote. Happy birthday sa iyo, Kuya Aji. Ha? Baka naman. Ayadin Singh, nagawa ng paraan. Primaylon. Katarig rises. Nice dig by Miranda.
with an adjustment there by David.
Uy, kamunti ka ng tumikit si Basarte doon ha, pero
Says actually CSB, a lot of good attackers, but this time
there by Durola of FEU. Hindi handa
net touch.
si Primaylon. Ay, nandoon yung depensa ng FEU. Free ball para sa kanila dito. Ubaldo. David nalunod.
Too high.
Kita mo, no? Yung net defense nandun. That time, tinry niya si An assist. Talking about Ubaldo. Nakapuntos ang CSB.
Second set.
Service error, much to the chagrin of Coach Resco with a serve. Calieses! Back-to-back hits. Ulak. Rose Almendralejo. Again, yung floor defense ng FEU. Pero
The gap in the defense there in the middle.
Iya David rises and scores.
Yeah. But she holds on to patience and belief. May tiwala ang coaches at teammates ko na makakabalik ako, kaya dapat maniwala rin.
Katarig, nandoon si Ubaldo. Pendon sa kanan, off speed. Nandoon pa rin depensa ng CSB. Inangat ni Ubaldo. Petalyo, isa pa. Nice pass from Ash. Kai is denied.
Wow. Jenny Basarte.
May drop off sa intensity. Kasi nung pagpasok natin ng first technical timeout, FEU pa yung lamang. Pero ngayon, the tables have turned. And Ayadin Singh, she will score.
They sort of relaxed in this third set.
Nice pickup by Petalyo. Devosora was sent back. CSB playing a lot better. Picking up those attacks. Primaylon, net fault bago pa lumapag yung bola.
B.
10 to Jers. Automatic. Petalyo was sent back. CSB. It's rolling 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Sa gitna, Loresco. Nakita mo si Clay Katarig, no? Siyam na puntos. Siya yung nagtitimon para sa...
Petalyo.
Mas nababasa nila yung mga atake ni Petalyo eh. Devosora diving in was Getigan. Kailieses, nandoon yung depensa ni Jers Petalyo. Pendon, tinawid. Getigan ulit. Pops it up. Kailieses.
Straight to the floor.
Kailieses. Suplico. Pops it up to Jers Petalyo. Cross court. Defense was there for Jessa Dorog. Down the line. Oo, nakataulog siya. Mamaya. Ito si...
In terms of her attacks,
yeah.
but contributing on the floor with her net defense.
Oh,
Oh, right on cue though.
oh! Petalio down the line. 6'5" CSB. Kyle Yeses off the block.
Depensa walang serve. Pero ngayon, she also reminded the team that mistakes happen, but even then, giving up shouldn't be an option. Huwag kayo...
Pick up from the back by Jers Petalio. You could sense, Kayla, no, that both teams have picked up their intensity. Mas sharp na yung mga galaw nila eh. Loresco. Nice dive by Kyle Yeses. Pendon, wind up, good. Earlier for CSB, pick for FEU, 6 straight points na ito ha.
So earlier, a big lead.
Ceremonies team. Aba, hindi pwedeng ganyan lang. Ha? Baka naman. Boss Aji. Lalo 50 years sa gitna. And another point coverage by Benild. Then Singh the tip. Basilio pops it up to Zam Nolasco. Net fault against FEU, point to College of St. Benild. Basilio. Jers Petalio going to Ali Devosora. They will reload. Devosora one more time. Yes! Chance for Lady Tamaraos, rising up, but set back to the friend zone by Miranda, choosing Ali Devosora with a bomb.
Devosora with an exclamation.
Can CSB respond? Devosora again, oh my goodness, taking charge here late in this set number 4. And she carries FEU to this very important victory.